I'm not one for doing many unboxings, am I? No, I'm really not. But this arrived today, and I just can't help myself. I've been waiting for this one. You know, my excuse was I do all of my recording on a Xiaomi 14 Ultra currently. I think it's really nice, but when I see the specs on this one, I'm thinking, I think it's time for an upgrade. Anyway, this is the Leica version of the Xiaomi 17 Ultra. Unless you've been living under a rock, you'll know all about this phone. It is their new flagship. It is the Chinese version, not the global version, although it does have the Play Store unlocked and you can get all the Google apps on it. So anyway, this unboxing, I thought, I've already used it a little bit, but the packaging is just so pretty and it feels so good and premium. And yeah, I just couldn't help myself. Look at this, hey? All right, so... it's a nice card. It comes out. Look, you can frame it or you can make copies of it and give it to your friends for Christmas or something. I don't know. Anyway, that's nice. I'll leave it in there, hey, because we don't want to detract from the beauty of that piece of cardboard. All right. Next piece of cardboard. Oh no, there's the phone. Yeah, taken out of its wrapping, of course. And look at that beauty. So it is the Leica edition, which means it's got this ring that rotates and it's got some more branding on it. It says Leica Camera Germany, but because it's the Chinese version, there's actually still a Xiaomi icon on there, the logo of Xiaomi. I think the Lates phone, as it's sold in the global markets for Australia and the others, which came out recently, it's branded a little differently. Now, I was going to get myself the Lights phone, but unfortunately no, you know what? It's not them, it was me. There was going to be the second wave of sales going out starting 10 a.m. on Thursday, but of course I'm in Perth, and Perth 10 a.m. is, well, no one cares about Perth 10 a.m. It's Melbourne 10 a.m. or Sydney 10 a.m. It's 3 hours out. So what do you know? I missed the second wave. So I got desperate and I was running around like looking at different places online, see if I could find one. And what do you know? They had them in a shop online, of course, and it was Leica version and all that. So I ordered it, and then I went, oh, forgot all about the Chinese version. Oh well, doesn't matter. I guess it means I've got more battery than I was expecting to have. But yeah, whether or not the PayPass stuff, like the tap for payments, still works, I don't know. We will see. I've been enjoying that. Anyway, I've been rambling, so let's keep going. There's the rest of the box. What do we got under here? Man, it is very premium, isn't it? Look at this. More boxes, boxes and boxes. Charger. Yeah, this is a good one. I'm sure it's a good one. I love their chargers because they're super high speed, and I bet this one's no exception. Yep, there you go. So it's a 100-watt GAN charger. That is going to be spectacular. They're not cheap, hey? What else? So it's just the cable. Yeah, cable and some reinforcement foam at the base there. Nice USB-C cable, white and orange, of course. Very nice. Excellent. All right. Well, it's not the Australian plug, unfortunately, but that's all right. I don't have any that are. Out of the way. What about the phone case? Here. Look at it. Oh yeah, look at that. Fantastic. Right, so it looks very much like what's underneath it, which is good because it looks really nice. It'd suck if they had a camera case that wasn't as nice as the thing underneath, but it's pretty much all of the other ones, isn't it? This one's a bit different there, though. It's kind of a rubbery, fake pleather sort of texture on there, whereas this one's a bit smoother, not much smoother. But the nice thing here is that the ring that rotates here still rotates on this. So you should be able to put it on, yep, and there, so it still rotates nicely. Does all sorts of things, like in the camera you can just do this. Yeah, just using the ring. How good is that? Very good. That's right, Simon, very, very good. What else we got in here? Because there's goodies, still goodies galore. All right, I think I've seen those a few times. What do you reckon? One of those tools. Yeah, I use ice picks these days. Use those, they're really nice. Always have a couple of dozen ice picks lying around. That always come in handy. All right, what else? Then we got this one. Just talking about where the SIM card goes, you know, because some people are idiots, I suppose. These accessories, what's in here? Forgotten, actually. Oh, yeah, that's right. So I think it's the Leica specific extra goodies that you get for the Leica Special Edition. Yeah, so we've got, yes, a lens cleaning cloth in a really nice package. Wrist strap, also in a nice package. Finally, a lens cap in a really nice package. Yeah, these feel like, I don't know, little soap packs at really fancy hotels in Paris. What do you reckon? It's about that. Maybe business class in airplanes that I never get to enjoy. Well, never get to use. Yeah, I know it's an unboxing and not an unpaper bagging, but I'm feeling particularly generous. I might just open these up for you anyway, hey? I do love my audience. Well, okay, wrist strap. So let's open it. Ooh, what about that AMSMR or whatever it is, that ASMR? ASMR. Yeah, that's the stuff. Ooh, it's got a flap. I love flaps. Yeah, some of my favorite things. All right, listen, open the flap. Oh, I tore the flap. Damn. No, just a little bit. It's still good. It's still good. It's still reconstructed. That's fine. All right, what's in it? Oh, look at that strap. Yeah, wow. That's a fatter cord than I was expecting. I suppose it's more the camera thing, isn't it? Yeah, how nice. Oh, so that'll go through there. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, cool. I'm not fitting it yet, though. Do that later in the privacy of my own home, without the camera. Okay, lens cleaning cloth. Yeah, this one, I think we know a bit more about what they're like. It's a piece of fabric. Yeah, look at that. Fancy. Yeah, folded in 4, nonetheless. All right, look at that. Woo! That's a really nice piece of fabric. Yeah, love it. All right, what's the other one? Finally, the lens cap. Okay, so the lens cap, does that go over the top of the case or straight on, or both? Oh, there we are, look at that. Leica, because that's what it is. Kind of. Here we are. All right. Yeah, fits. Without the case. And nope. Yeah, right. Only fits on the case. That's all right. That makes more sense. There. Here we go. And yeah, I might put that in a sec. Why not? Well, there you go. I knew I could do it. Yeah, it turns out those holes were really tight. Yeah, not as tight as those flaps were earlier, though. Oh, maybe. I don't know. Either way. Yeah, these holes were tight. Fantastic. Nice. Even nicer with the camera in it. I mean the phone. Yeah, that's nice. How does this one work? Okay. Like that. This doesn't get stolen in Bali. Lovely. All right, that's it. Thank you, everyone. Enjoy your evening.